Yeah. So you better you lose every 1v1 and don't care about the crown, never care about having fun. You say that might come from the heart. You think you act like you're stuck out, you smell like a fart. Think you're like stuck, but you really upset. Say you're a tall, but you're just a dwarf. Into a tall man, you should morph. Say I have the meme reset, but your content is brain rot. You being better than me shouldn't even be a thought. Humpty Dumpty, center of the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Busting the wall, broke the wall. Big you talk about real loud, but you don't say much. Big ego, small moves can't keep the touch. I stay improving, you stay the same. I don't need your clout, I play my game. You chase the attention, I earn respect. Every line I drop, yeah, check me correct. This ain't even hit, it's fact check miss. Study pattern right before you step to this.